who cleans your house, then you recognize that some places are a touch more unpleasant to wash than others. One of these places in that bathroom, albeit we take proper care of it, still must be cleaned more frequently. And what about the toilet? Nobody likes to clean it when full of germs and bacteria. They easily get dirty and smell bad. Without choosing proper products, cleaning it going to become a large order. Today's video will discuss pour salt in the toilet and get rid of spots and bad smells for this brilliant reason. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Luckily, many natural recipes can assist you to clean your house, especially your bathroom. Did you know that a very common ingredient in every house can be used to clean your toilet? You probably eat it every day and can't even imagine that it can be efficient to remove spots. We are talking about salt. Thanks to its abrasive power and disinfecting action, it is very efficient to remove the residue spots and kill bacteria that are commonly found in bathrooms. Let's see how to make a homemade cleaners that can be used in the toilet and the rest of the bathroom, and that uses cheap ingredients that are easy to find. You will need 1 cup hot water, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 cup white vinegar, 3 tablespoons baking soda. All you need to do is to mix salt and baking soda in a container, reserve vinegar and water. To use this mixture, put in on a sponge and rub on all surface of the restroom. After that, mix water and vinegar in a spray bottle and spray over the salt and baking soda. Allow it act for 10 minutes and rinse with water. It is highly recommended doing this procedure twice a week to keep your toilet perfectly sanitized. Are you going to try this recipe at home? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.